The journey of the Fellowcraft is one of intellectual enlightenment and spiritual awakening, culminating in the attainment of the middle chamber, a sacred space representing the meeting place between the individual soul and universal consciousness. Unlike the entered apprentice, who begins his journey in darkness and ignorance, the Fellowcraft ascends the winding staircase, a symbol of spiritual elevation and intellectual refinement. Yet, reaching the middle chamber is not the end of the journey. It is where the initiate first confronts the nature of true consciousness, realizing that his individual mind is part of something far greater, the universal mind of God. In Freemasonry, the middle chamber is more than just a stage in the ritual of the Fellowcraft degree. It is a deeply symbolic space, representing the threshold between personal awareness and divine consciousness. Here, the initiate stands at the midpoint of his journey, having left behind the ignorance of the lower world, but not yet having attained the full illumination of the Master Mason degree. Esoterically, the middle chamber represents a state of expanded awareness where the seeker begins to realize that consciousness is not merely an individual phenomenon, but a connection to something much greater. In this state, the illusion of separation begins to dissolve, and the initiate becomes aware that his own mind is a reflection of the divine mind, the grand architect of the universe.